Now, let's see the third determiner, possessives. They show the position or answer the question whose. For example, this is my book. Here, the word my shows clearly whose book is it. My book. Other similar possessive determiners are, his, their. The next in the line is quantifier, which answers how much of a thing is meant. For example, some rice, all his wealth. So it gives answer to the question how much. And finally, the articles. There are three members in it, a, an, and the. The first two, that is a and an, are the indefinite articles as they give general version of the noun, and on the other hand the is the definite article which gives specific version of the noun.